Hello friends, today I am discussing about Introduction to Business Intelligence. Definition: Business intelligence is a broad category of applications and technologies for gathering, analyzing, and providing access to data to help clients make better business decisions. The key term here we need to understand is the data and decision making. The BI is all about collecting the data, storing the data, analyzing the data, and arranging the data in such format where the business can take better decision. What is business intelligence? Right information, right time, right format leads to better company. As I explained you, it's all about data. So the right information at the right time and at the right format and making the better decision. Decision can be tactical level, strategical level and operational level which will take you to better company. BI capabilities: data collection, storage and management. ETL: extract, transform and load. Data analysis: dashboard or report generation. Data mining: it collects the data. Very important thing as part of BI is extra, transform and load, which is called as ETL. Data analysis means understanding the data, how the data is used. You can overview your data. Data mining: this is practical. BI, you can predict what is going to happen. BI terminology: database. Databases are designed to offer an organized mechanism for strong managing and retrieving information. Database: storage of data in organized form. It can be in any form. Data integration: it is fast and flexible data warehousing tool used for data extraction, transformation and loading. ETL. Data integration collects all data sources and putting them in one place. Data analysis: data analysis is an online analytical process and data mining tool. We convert the data into meaningful format. Thank you.